In this video, I'll show you how to customize the rulebook, add your own triage rules, and verify them with tests. The rule engine is fully deterministic. Same input, same output every time. All rule snippets are prepared in the repo so you can follow along. Let's start by looking at the rulebook structure. Each rule in the YAML file has an ID, which shows up in API responses as the reason a rule fired. It has a phase for evaluation order, a label that gets added to the proposal's labels array, and a type, either strict, which sets a minimum score, or soft, which adds to the score. Keywords are matched against the proposal title and body. Now let's add a new rule. This one detects developer grant programs. I've prepared the snippet in the scripts folder. We're using type soft with a base score of 65. This means it contributes a base score, and other rules can add to it. If a proposal mentions both a developer grant and a protocol upgrade, both rules fire and the scores combine. Let's run the existing test suite first to establish a baseline. All tests should pass before we make any changes. Every rule needs tests, a positive case and a negative case. The positive test checks that our keywords trigger the rule correctly. The negative test makes sure generic grants without developer context don't fire it. Now let's look at the fatigue index configuration. The weights control how much each component contributes to the overall fatigue score. They must sum to 1.0. The reference values define what normal governance activity looks like for your DAO. Change these if your DAO has different baseline activity than Arbitrum. We can verify the config loaded correctly through the debug API endpoint. The key workflow is edit the YAML, write tests, run the test suite, verify through the API. The rulebook is a versioned institutional artifact. Every change is testable and auditable. The full rulebook documentation is in rulebook.md. The repo is open source. Issues and pull requests are welcome. Thanks for watching.